Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and we are here today making another fun cocktail. This is a cocktail I found last year sometime and made it a couple times, and it's really enjoyable, but I've just never got around to doing the video. So join me as we make a little cocktail called the Commotion. Let's get pouring. We're going to keep the Commotion to a little minimum on this cocktail. We're going to build this cocktail in the glass. So we're going to take our old-fashioned glass, and first off, we're going to start by putting some ice in there. And we're going to fill that about halfway. A half an ounce of simple syrup, and that's a 1-to-1 sugar-water ratio. Next, one of our favorites, vodka, and we are using Absolute today, and we are going to put in there 1.5 ounces of vodka. Next, one of our big favorites, and in my opinion, any cocktail you put this in just knocks the flavor way up, and that is Elderflower Liqueur. And this is going to get 3/4 of an ounce. And that's going in there. Next ingredient there is Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. Same flavoring as those cherries everybody likes. And that is going to have 3/4 of an ounce. That goes on there. Our next ingredient is actually going to be some club soda. So we're going to put that in there. Top that off. I want to give this a little bit of a stir. Because we've got that effervescent club soda in there, we're not going to shake this cocktail. I can squeeze a little bit more ice in there. And then all I've got left to do is garnish. And to put this in there, we're going to do 2 garnishes. The first one is a lime wheel. Can add a little bit of lime flavor in there. And the last one is one of my favorites, great for aromatic. Just adds to the scent of it. And that's going to be a sprig of mint. So just give it a slap. It's going to release the oils, it's going to make that aroma great, and there you have it. A whole lot of flavor going on in a little glass, the Commotion. Cheers, everyone. That is good.